Welcome to this 4-part video series on how to create a calculator GUI using Python. The end product of our tutorial is going to look something like this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the frame of the GUI and the screen of the GUI. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to install the required libraries. Make sure to run command prompt as administrator. And the third party module we'll be installing is PyQt5. As you can see, my requirements are already satisfied. That's because I've already installed the library. So let's get down to the coding.
Mr. Lecky on the beat. Mr. Lecky on the beat.
Now what this import statement does is to import everything from PyQt5.qt widgets. So does the other import statements. Then here we assign a value of 280 to width, and we assign a value of 300 to height. And here we've created a class with an argument QMainWindow, which is a function under PyQt5.qt widgets. Then we are defining our first function, which must be __init__. Then the self inside the bracket can be anything. I'm just following the standards. You can use this as type, name, anything you want. You can just put it there. Then the super function here is going to create a super window, and the self.setGeometry. This is going to take the PyQt5 module exactly where it should create the window, and the size of the window it is to create. Then the self.setWindow title should call. This is going to tell the PyQt module to set the title of our window as soup_cal. Then we have the QLineEdit function. This is going to create the screen of the calculator. Then the self.text.read_only. This tells the QLineEdit not to take input from the keyboard but only from the buttons. And then we have the self.text.setAlignment QTWrite. This tells the QLineEdit to set the typing cursor to the right side of the screen. And our self.text.resize is going to define the size of our QLineEdit, and our self.text.move is going to define the position of the QLineEdit function. Then the self.show is telling the PyQt5 module to show everything we've just defined, to show everything ranging from here down here. It's going to tell the PyQt5 module to show everything. Then the statement if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore is going to treat your project file as a module. Like you can import your project file in another file from the same directory. And then this Q application works together with this 6.exit in order to prevent our application from terminating prematurely. So let's run this and see what we made. Now this is what we just programmed. This is the screen of the calculator. As you can see, it won't take any input from the keyboard. It will only take input from the buttons, which we are going to create in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.